Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the DNB app not working. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the app starts working again. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for DNB, swipe it away completely, closing it. Then, wait for a few while and reopen it again. Temporary glitches can sometimes stop the app from working properly. Next, restart your phone to refresh the system and clear temporary issues that may affect the app. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for DNB Mobile, and then make sure that the DNB app is updated to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and performance problems, so it is very important to update your app to the latest version. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for it, and reinstall it again. That's how you fix the DNB app not working. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple